Hope everyone's doing well today as we get started on this Wednesday morning. A couple things I want to go over because, and again, I'm coming on actually a minute or so early here because there are quite a bit of movers today. A bunch of gap plays, Twitter, GoPro, Save, Win, Akamai, Buffalo Wild Wings. There are also other stocks moving, lumber liquidators getting smoked today. I have a level on lumber liquidators around $25.50 to $25 even number. Okay, so again, just a heads up there. You have a double bottom around 27, but again, I think that there's a little too much risk for me to step in front of it without a pierce down to that lower level. Also, SSYS, I have a level at $40 even number. So if we get a $1.40 flush at the open, heads up on SSYS at a $40 even number. There's a pivot support level down there on the weekly chart that I was able to find. All right. So we have a lot of possibilities, guys, a lot of possibilities. Now let's see what this market has in store for us. Do these levels come to fruition? All right, here we go, guys. Be ready. Yeah, Rhonda mentioning the master level calculator has 39.86 as a level on Twitter. Kind of right below that even number as well, which could be indicative of a bounce. Sounds good. Twitter, again, even number, high risk level is in play. It pierced, obviously, by about 17 cents. Beautiful little pierce. Now the question is, does it bounce or does it kind of just hover here before heading a little bit lower? It's bounced a little bit. I mean, you got as much as $40.15, which is about a 30-cent bounce. Not exactly a huge bounce, but nonetheless. Good bounce on Twitter here. There it is, guys. There's your bounce. Just got to 40.20. That's basically what you're looking for there, guys. $40.20. Beautiful even number play right there on Twitter. That's exactly what you were looking for there. I think it goes lower from here, at least over the course of the day. It probably does head a little bit lower, so that was your bounce right there. Beautiful master level calculator working again as well. Great post, Rhonda, just to post that up the level. Shows how impressive that master level calculator is when you know how to use it. Take a look at BWLD, see what we got here on BWLD. Yeah, it's getting there, just about there, guys. Heads up on Buffalo Wild Wings. Just about into that level. See if it can pierce this even number. All right, guys, gap play on Buffalo Wild Wings, BWLD, just about to trigger. 59 pierce, if it can just do it here. Look for a nice even number little pierce here. Got as low as 159.01, 2 cents away from the official level. You're welcome, Carl. Good job on the Home Depot. Again, for those of you in the options alerts, a 50% problem, 50% profit, I should say. So Win getting close to a level here. Well, it's kind of hovering just above. And there it is, guys, Buffalo Wild Wings. I repeat, Buffalo Wild Wings has now hit the level, has hit the gap level. There's a little bit of a pierce. All right, guys, I just got a little Buffalo Wild Wings here, 158.70. 158.70, I'm in. Buffalo Wild Wings, piercing the gap level, 158.70. Whoa, what a bounce, guys. Ooh, I love it. Look at that. Monster bounce. Already. Back into the 159.40 level. Still in. I'm trying to at least, I would like to get $1 out of it. I mean, that might be a little too aggressive, I don't know, but see what we can do. But that was a quick bounce, man. Nice, Dave. Great job on Home Depot, 105% on the puts. Great job. Back underneath the 159 level. See what happens here if we can get a little bit more of an extension bounce. Spider's bouncing back up a little bit. Yeah, Nick's target is for $2. Correct. Correct. So again, I'll leave it be. You know what I'm going to look for? I'll look for a move back to 160 Pierce, 160 even number. That'll be $1.35, we'll call it, on an even number Pierce. So I'll give it that leniency. Yeah, IBB getting a good bounce today, guys. That was a great move to cover the short yesterday for those of you that were in that play with me. Great move. Guys, Buffalo Wild Wings, we're getting close to 160. Let's see if we can get up there. Here we go. Buffalo Wild Wings, 160. Buffalo Wild Wings back above that even number of 159. Still going to look for 160 on that. All right, guys. I am in ESRX finally. Smaller position so I can add if it goes a little bit lower. But I'm in here, guys. 85.63 is my entry. 85.63 ESRX. And again, I can add a little bit lower if it comes down to these lows here. Right in this vicinity will be my next add. But again, I am in 85.63. Finally, patience pays off. Gives me a good little entry. That's a beauty right there. Here we go already. ESRX starting to bounce. Let's see what the bounce gives us. Going to look for about a 20-cent bounce, guys. 20 to 25 cents. We're almost there. Let's see what we got here. A little bit more. 85.73s, about up a dime right now. Great level, guys. Way to be patient. That's what it's all about. Make it give you. That's what I always stress to traders. You know, don't chase. Make the market or the stock give you the price you want. And again, just always remind yourself, there's always another trade 10 minutes from now, 20 minutes, whatever. There's always more trades. U.S. Steel quickly, let's take a look. BWLD, guys, 159.30s now. This still looks very good for a potential target. ESRX, guys, 85.80. Here we go, here we go. 82, printed like tiny bit at 83. Should go higher, though. ESRX right here, guys. A little bit more I'm just looking for. A little bit more. Yup, guys, nearing a little bit of a potential level here. 160 is still a potential sell, or you can look for the $2 target that Nick gave at 161. Really up to you guys, whatever your comfort zone is. Yup, Buffalo Wild Wings, guys. Finally, right here. Just hitting that 160 level. Still holding my Buffalo Wild Wings. Trying to get a little bit more out of it. Very nice. Parm got a $1.50. Nice job. Very nice, guys. This is what we wanted to see. All right, I'm out of $1.52 on Buffalo Wild Wings. $1.50 profit. Took a little time, but hey, who are we to be sticklers? ESRX getting a good bounce here now. About time. Nice gap level by Nick, guys. Nice gap level by Nick. Buffalo Wild Wings out $1.50 for myself. I actually think it probably goes higher if the market can bounce, but you know, it's really up to you. I'm going to leave it totally in your hands if you guys want to do it or not. I don't know if Nick's still in or not. I'm going to assume he is just because I think he would have told me. Good bounce here on ESRX. Finally, jeez. Back in the money on it. Crazy. A little ridiculous in all fairness. I act like the stock should, just because I say it bounce at the levels, but it's really that the levels are, you know, there's a variance for the power of a level, and when you have 3 levels in that area, it's very rare a stock goes through it without getting a bounce. That's why I was a little bit miffed. You know, listen, sometimes it doesn't do it, and it'll just flush right through. Great move on Buffalo Wild Wings coming up here. Let's see if it gets to Nick's target of 161. Technically 160.99, I believe. It was a $2 target from the entry. But again, looking for an even number Pierce, I would think of 161. Spiders, what a rocket here. Amazing. Here we go, guys. There's target for Nick. Nick's target is hit. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, exactly. Nathan's saying you could learn the methodology or you stand no chance, in my opinion. Yeah, I wholeheartedly agree with that. So again, guys, beautiful Buffalo Wild Wings trade there. Perfect. Mark took $2.05 on BWLD. Robert took $2.20. Great job, guys. Great job. That's what it's all about. So ESRX still inching up a little bit here. Guys, I'm out at 85.65 on ESRX. ESRX out 85.65. Look at that bounce. 15-cent profit for me. I'll take it. Considering we were down about 30 cents on it, actually 35 cents at the lows, I'll take a 15-cent gainer. Take it all day long, folks, all day long. Parm grabbed 30 cents on ESRX. Great job. Love it, guys. Love just every day we come in here, grinding out profits, grinding them out. I'm up about $2,661. Actually, to be exact, $2,661.12 today. It's my exact P&L totals on these trades. Not bad. Not bad for an hour of work, guys. Not bad for an hour of work. Nice. Al got all the trades today. Mark's out 28 cents on ESRX. Parm got again 30 cents. Beautiful. Joe saying, do you think we'll grind higher until the Fed today? I mean, I thought we would have earlier, and then we flushed to new lows. So, I mean, you know, I still think as we get closer to lunch, that's the most probable outcome. But there's no guarantees, you know. I mean, it's kind of up in the air. Look at that bounce on ESRX. And again, folks, it just shows you the power of these levels. You know, they tested me on that, though. They did. Phil saying, thanks for the trades today. I've got to run. Thanks again. You're welcome, Phil. Great job today, man. I'm glad to hear everyone's catching these trades. Brian mentioning Wynn did bounce to 110. Let's take a look. If I could type in the symbol correctly, that would be helpful. Yeah, it hit exactly to the penny. Yep, yeah. I wouldn't have taken it at that point even if it pierced because, again, see the consolidation. It's just not – the methodology teaches us that's not a high reward trade, so it's better not to do it. But either way, I mean, hey, it just shows the level's still strong. Yeah, Vishal saying, thanks for the great job on Home Depot puts in the SLV long. You're welcome. Thank you. Nice, Vishal. Excellent. You're welcome, Dennis. Great job. That's what I love about, you know, those of you that are members in the options alerts and the chat and the research center. There's just so many different opportunities all around, you know. You know, some days we're a little slow in the chat, but the options are hitting on all cylinders, or the research center, and then vice versa. And then some days like today, you're making money in the chat, you're making money 50% return on the Home Depot in the options, and a 5%er on the SLV as we took profits on silver today. So I mean, it's just great to see that continually rocking and rolling. Oh, nice, Pat. Pat saying nice profits on FedEx puts off your UPS comments earlier in the week. Also Home Depot puts, thank you. You're welcome. Nice, Carl. $2.37 on Buffalo Wild Wings. Great job. Oh, very cool. There you go. Got a trade from every continent in the world, Carl, with us. Carl's saying he's traded with us from China, Europe, Middle East, and North America. Don't forget Antarctica. So it's getting close to 11, guys. It's been a fun morning again. I love it when the market's like this for us. Thanks, Roseanne. Roseanne saying, Gareth, great day today. Rhonda mentioning WM, Waste Management. Let's take a look. Nice, Peter. Great job. Yeah, Trevor's saying he's in Australia. It's 12:47 a.m. Good for you for trading in the overnight there. Nice. Al made $1,450 in 1 hour. Yeah, there's not many jobs you can make that per hour, right? Even a lawyer and a surgeon aren't making that type of money in an hour. Making about 5 times what a lawyer makes, or maybe 3 times. A good lawyer, $500 an hour or so. Vishal saying, do you ever speculate with the spider's position before the Fed? I only did that when I was younger, and I would say 8 out of 10 times I lost money. Yeah, it's one of those things where, again, you know, it's kind of like the casino, right? You know, sometimes we go to the casino to have fun and just, you know, I walk into the casino with 5,000 and I say to myself, hey, listen, I lose this, I lose it. That's just the nature of the beast. I expect to lose it pretty much. If I don't, that's great, but I should go in expecting it. If you do it with the Fed, same kind of mentality needs to be taken. The only difference is, you know, when you're at the casino, usually you'll get free drinks, maybe get to look at some attractive people. I won't say gender-wise because we have different genders in the chat, so maybe a good-looking guy, maybe some cute girls. But either way, at least there's some eye candy instead of me sitting behind my computer looking at charts. And that's it. I mean, I guess if you really wanted to, you could throw up some pictures on your screens, but we'll leave that to imaginations. Anyway, Spider's bouncing up a little bit here. Spider's again catching a little bit of a bid. Market marching towards the Fed announcement. Yeah, Parm saying, face facts, we all love a good-looking chart. That's true. There you go. Good bounce on win back above 110. Nice bounce. That is a nice bounce there. I might step off at 11:15 today, guys, again, as we kind of settle into this lunchtime. And plus, it's been such an active morning. Honestly, I'm exhausted. I want to recharge before the Fed comes on a little bit later today. And on that note, yeah, 213 Laurel's the fake print, right? And that happened in December, which is really kind of crazy that it's been that long. I mean, it's 5 months now. Actually, almost over 5 months. But all right, guys, I'm going to step off. Great job today. Great to see the gap play working out. You know, that's the beauty of it. I mean, it's great during earnings season because you'll get 5 or 6 plays, and then you just need one of them to hit. One of them to hit puts money in your pocket. And again, great job there, and some great job on those other trades as well. So enjoy your lunchtime. Go relax a little bit. Markets again, 2 p.m. Fed. Nick will be on. He will take you guys into that Fed decision and ultimately the action following it. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate that, and look forward to talking to you guys later or tomorrow. Take care.